Hello everyone, it is I, BeafTheef. And it has been quite a while, hasn't it? I've been pretty busy, so I think my last video upload was July, so it's been quite a few months. Sorry, but yeah, college, oh my college, fantastically busy. Anyway, I'm going to be playing this game today called Uplink, which is part of the the newest Humble bundle, which I believe it's called Humble Introversion Bundle. And you get, let's see here, you get Darwinia, Multiwinia, Uplink. There's another game in there too. And if you pay above the average price, which is pretty low, when I paid, which was earlier today, it was below $4. But it goes to charity and goes to game developers. What you pay for, you can pretty much pay any price. But if you pay above the average, you also get Crayon, Physics Deluxe, and Aquaria, which I haven't played them yet. But it's a pretty good deal. You get like 6 games, and if you pay, if you round up from the average, the nearest dollar, you pay like $4 for 6 games, which is pretty nice. But anyway, this game is, I don't want to call it a hacking simulator because I don't know how much it really follows real life hacking, but basically you hack into systems and get files and all this stuff. And I haven't really played this much. I played for maybe 20 minutes, but we're gonna go ahead and start a new profile here. Connecting to Uplink public access server. Okay, welcome to Uplink Public Access Server. Uplink Corporation maintains the largest list of freelance agents in the world, and we have operated with for the last decade with a flawless record of satisfied customers and successful agents, blah blah blah. You're here because you wish to join this company. Register as an agent. Okay, get a gateway computer, secure location, we'll connect to that every time. We start with 3,000 credits. We have access to their bulletin board system, find missions and contracts, and we will be officially rated as an Uplink agent. Okay, let's see here. My name, I will do BeafTheef, and my password, because you really don't need this password for anything special, I'm going to do Pro Hacker. Pro Hacker. Done. Select local gateway selection. New York. Registration now taking place. Part of your membership. We will assign you a gateway computer system. Should any of your actions be traced back to your gateway, Uplink Corporation will disavow any knowledge of your actions and will destroy your account. That is pleasant. The gateway machine will also be destroyed. Run 12 your gateway computer will cost 300 credits a month. Okay. And it looks like it's connecting to gateway. So this would be my gateway computer then. Downloading Uplink operating system. Whatever all this stuff is. Uplink operating system successfully started on gateway. Okay. Successfully set up and will accept only your new username and password in the future. Okay, in your email you'll find a message from Uplink Corporation with some useful IP addresses. You'll also find the Uplink test mission, which will allow you to practice hacking. Would you like to run a tutorial? Yeah, sure, we'll run it. Welcome to Uplink tutorial. Click next. Okay. First things first, you can move this tutorial on the screen. Yeah, I already did that. Looking at facilities. Click on hardware. Hardware. Okay, so it looks like my total CPU speed is 60 gigahertz, and my bandwidth, I don't even know what that speed is. GQLS something per second. I don't even know what that speed is. Memory capacity 24 GQ. Again, GQ, I don't know what that is. No devices, hub upgrades, none. Okay. Should just task gateway. Reality gateway is a computer sitting in one of our offices. Yes, I know this. Gateway, very basic. Yeah, okay. We'll be able to upgrade later. Click on flashing memory banks. So it looks like this is where I store memory and files and all that. Files you have stored in your memory banks. Yep, okay. At the moment you only have tutorial and file utilities. Click on personal status. Screen shows your official ratings. Okay, whatever. Rating increases. Click on finance. Okay, so that's my bank account. File button. Okay, I completely skipped that, but the file this button here is for sending emails. Big button to the left allows you to run software tools. Okay, so this is software tools that I have. Okay, you can start a program from there. These two boxes, buttons, I think we can skip all this. I don't think you really need to see the tutorial. Do you really need to see the tutorial? Okay, we'll show it. At least this one. First hack will be Uplink test mission. Click on mission description. Mission description. Gain access to Uplink test machine by breaking the outer security layer. Access the file server and download the target file. Uplink test data. Remove any traces of your hack. Return the data to us at address internal. Yeah, okay. You should read the description carefully, but the basic aim is to break into the Uplink test machine and steal a file. We're going to start by connecting to the target. Select Uplink test machine from the list of bookmarks. Uplink test machine. This will be your first opportunity to hack into a real computer system with real defenses. There's no point trying to hack a real computer system until you can do the Uplink test in your sleep. You'll be traced during your attempts, so remember to monitor your communications. However, no action will be taken against you should you be traced. Okay. Hint, never connect directly to your target server. Okay. So we're dialed in. Click on the Start Test button to bypass the screen. This user ID screen, you will need a username and password to get past, which we don't have. In reality, you almost never have a genuine username and password. You'll have to hack your way in. In order to hack your way in, we'll need to buy some software. Disconnect from this machine. Disconnect. Best place to buy software is Uplink Internal Services System. Uplink Internal Services System. Log in there. Okay, we're in. Your authorization has been accepted. I know that. Okay. Software upgrades. Software upgrades. Items in gray. First tool you will need is one of the basic Uplink password breakers. So the password breaker. Break in. Okay. Scroll down the list and select the password breaker. Current price is $1,500. Password breaker. Purchase. Now try breaking that password. Okay, disconnect, disconnect, disconnect. And we're gonna connect there. Go here. Okay, we want to run our password breaker software on the screen. Our new software will appear. Click on the software button. Selecting it from the menu, password breaker. Select a target. Okay. Click on one next one text box, label name or code to select the new code because we want the password. Connection terminated by remote host. Oh dear, you've been disconnected by the computer you were trying to hack into. That is not a good thing. They notice that you're trying to hack the password screen and kicked you off their system. Because it's a test machine, you won't be punished in any way. In the real world, you could now face a fine or even jail time. That is pleasant. This tutorial will show you how to hack into a computer without being caught in any way. First, we need a warning system. Okay. Connect to Uplink Internal Services. Uplink Internal Services. Log in. Software menu. Scroll down the list and click on Trace Tracker. This item of software can tell you how close you are to being traced. There are several versions of this item. Higher versions have more features but are more expensive. I can afford Trace Tracker. Oh, version 2, okay. Trace Tracker is right here. Next version, 600 credits purchase. Okay. Just run right away. Security Trace Tracker. Trace Tracker is not running. It is currently telling you that nobody is trying to trace your location at this time. Okay. Having a warning system is a step in the right direction. Called. Okay, we need to slow tracing by using call bouncing. This involves extending our connection around the world to confuse the opponent. First, disconnect from system. Bring up the global communication map. Okay, you need to establish long distance connection to our target. Okay, we build this connection by clicking on each of the intermediate nodes in sequence. Click on location internic. Internic is there. Uplink public access server. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. Uplink public access server. Uplink Internal Services System. Uplink Internal Services System. Click on the target uplink test machine. Okay. Take the opponent longer to trace and disconnect the system. Click on the connect to establish the link. Bypass the opening screen. Start the password breaker. Okay, let's see if this works this time. Looks like it's doing this. Target the box as soon as you do this. Click on proceed when it's finished. Okay. Hurry up and find that password, you stupid program. I don't want to get traced. Let's see your trace. 25%. Well. Roseb. Rosaboo. Rosabud. Rosabud? Proceed. Okay, this is the only test machine, so slow. If you recall the mission description, you will have to steal a file from the system. Access file server. Okay, we will need to use a file copier to download the file. Start the file copier. File copier. Target the file that we want, which is uplink test data. And it's downloading. The file is being copied. You can speed this up by clicking on the button at the top to divert more CPU to this task. This one? Oh yeah. Let's give it some more. Oh yeah. Oh, so fast. Bring up memory bank screen. And we're gonna put it, we'll put it there. Disconnect from this computer. Okay. Real world hack, we'd have to make some attempt. Go away. We had to make some attempt to delete the access logs that we just left behind. Every time you log onto a system, copy a file, or make any changes, leave behind access logs. Okay. These logs can be used by any other agents to trace you and put you in jail. You may even end up tracing another agent one day. One final task is to send the copied file back to the customer. Bring up the mission description. Go to reply, and we're going to attach the file. And send. You receive 2 emails, both from Uplink. First is congratulating you for completing, and how much we've been paid, which in this case was nothing. And then, was this the first one we got? Yep. Okay, I don't need that. And then the second one is informing you that my rating has gone up. So let's see here. Agent BeafTheef, you have reached the next Uplink rating. Your rating is now beginner. Yay, I'm a beginner hacker. Woo! You should now go to Uplink Internal Services System and look through the work available to you. Okay, I will do that. I don't think no, I don't need to do part 3. Okay. Well, I think I'm gonna end this part right here since we just finished the tutorial, and then the next part I will actually go through some missions. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, or you can favorite it, or you can do both, which would be fantastic. And if you want to see more of these videos, I highly suggest you click that subscribe button, because then you will get alerted next time I put up a part from the series. So, I'm BeafTheef, and you, everyone out there, have a good day.